Hi, and good morning. My name is Paul Schifferdecker, coming to you from beautiful Lake of the Ozarks, and what a beautiful morning it is. Again, my name is Paul. I'm with MarineMax here at Lake of the Ozarks, and it's my privilege this morning to bring to you this Meridian 2006 408 motor yacht. Come on aboard, we'll take a look. You're gonna like what you see. One of the most favorite parts to me of this motor yacht, and I think it will be to you as well, is this aft deck or cockpit area. It's a part where you can, interact with people below deck in the salon, on the transom area, swim platform, people up on the bridge, which comfortably seats 8. You can just stay in touch with everybody, not to mention the gorgeous, comfortable ride and view. As we come up to the bridge, we have Captain Todd Laporte here at the helm, and you can see, again, comfortable seating for easily 4 couples. The upholstery in here is fantastic. Again, this is a 2006 one-owner boat, bought new here from us, MarineMax, at Lake of the Ozarks. Always been fresh water. Panoramic $1 million view from the bridge. It's just an amazing way to cruise the lake. Here we are going into the salon of this motor yacht, where you've got an example of the best of both worlds. You've got your 2+2, if you will, your 2-bedroom stateroom, 2 full baths, heads, 3/4. Plus, you've got this expansive space in here for turning this into a bed, or you have opposing seats. You've got really timeless, traditional quality in this ship. So it's always going to be in style. Lots of room for lots of friends, for lots of memories. And whether I'm standing or sitting in this area, the salon, I never lose view of the horizon. It's an amazing, amazing view. You've got to see it. 2 steps down from the salon area, we have the galley, where whoever's preparing the meal is still able to be part of the party. We have a covered stainless steel integral sink into the solid surface countertops. So that gives you full counter for serving a buffet if you'd like. Dedicated storage for these covers. Here we have a 3-burner glass cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, freezer. Keep your ice cream, whatever you want, right here. Very comfortable, spacious VIP stateroom in the bow of the boat, along with its own private 3/4 shower bathroom. Here we are in the master stateroom, which is an aft cabin stateroom. It's the most stable part of the ship, especially when you're spending nights out on the water. You've got a panoramic view off the ship's transom. Very, very gorgeous. Plenty of room to walk around and make this bed. It's like a bedroom you'd have at home. Plenty of headroom. I'm just under 6 feet tall, and I've got 4 or 5 inches to spare. Lots of storage. We've got a separate space for the head, so very private head. We have the vanity here so that anybody can use this at any time, as well as a separate fiberglass molded integral shower, 1 piece. So very easy to clean, very comfortable to use. And again, 2 people can use the bathroom at the same time. This boat has 360 hours on it. It's just had all the services done to it. Fresh buff and wax, bottom paint, oil, tranny, fluids changed. It's got a lot of enjoyment left in her to be had. There's a lot of boating season left. You get the best of both worlds. You get your boat and your luxurious condo, all for under $200,000. We've got the best financing at the lake. We've got the best marina with a slip just waiting for you. Again, my name is Paul at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and my phone number, put this in your phone, is 573-606-3066. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you on the water.